Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the heat transfer rate. We're going to assume the person is a cylinder. The diameter is 31 centimeters. The height is 176 centimeters. Average temperature of a human is 35 degrees Celsius. The heat transfer coefficient is 11 watts per meter squared per degree Celsius. The surrounding temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Step 1, draw a free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a person. We're going to assume the person is a cylinder. Okay, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So that's a typo. That's actually 11. Okay, 11, 35. Alright, cool. So here's all the given values. We're trying to find the heat transfer. Step 3, find the heat transfer formula. Step 4, we need to find the area. Because they give us H and T, we're missing A. So the area of a cylinder is pi multiplied by diameter multiplied by the height or length. Step 5, plug and play. So pi multiplied by 0.31 meters multiplied by 1.76 meters, you'll get 1.7141 meters squared. Step 6, find the heat transfer, so multiply H by A by delta T. So the H and T are given in the question, and we just found A. So heat transfer rate is 263.97 watts. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Since this is a made up question, your friends might not be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.